The family is back once again in the building. I am back from the dead. Took a long break, like a lot of us did, for the festive period. You know, I was going to come back last week, but I was like, nah, I'm taking another week off. And today I am back on the grizzle. I'm back on the shine. I'm back on the grind. So to kick things off, let's play some music to get your spirits and soul up.
Our story is about a man with nobler ambitions. And he does it in front of an audience. Now that's entertainment. So hang on to your hats, kiddies. It's a real shocker.
It's not easy to be part of the 1%. It started out with gold, silver and bronze. Fiat currency was created to deceive the masses. Swifted are the words, was not through to last. Stack your ride.
Does it like it is. Got them switching gears in Ferrari with the 10s. On some bullet shit, stop crying, start buying, getting bags, I ain't lying. Money multiplying, call it rocket science. I'm so tired of this crypto control. You already know, banks ain't letting money go. Swimming in the dough, SEC gets exposed. Tomorrow's the day we gon' blow. I'm better off, I'm selling at a loss, not caring what it costs. I'm buying when it drop, waiting for the flip flop to the tip top. When you watching TikToks on my new wristwatch, hit the Vegas crypto meter. Hello, nice to meet ya. Shower DAI like we do it all the time. Did a show with Lady E in the bag, man, the next night. A moon party, so you know we had to take flight. So many years and it's still no tears. The fear selling and I'm still all in. What do you do when your freedom is an illusion? How high will it go when the XRP get the mooning? It's amusing when you know that you ain't losing. Going back to go back, got them choosing. Which one up? Bag it up. This one up. Bag it up.
Pull up in a spacecraft and bags on us. Get into them bags with them stacks on us. In a different racks where they try to tax on us. Government some lies but them bags blowing up. Spitting 16s, keep them bags stuffed up. Give you more game than your mainstream rap buzz. Told you get the bag, disconnect from the fuzz. Your favorite rapper clone and he can't beat trust. Move to a different code so they can't tax us. Golden passports, rocket ships like Buzz. We light years ahead of the herd. Like they don't want you to get rich but die trying. But I slid you the crypto list, so start buying. And I'll see you at the tip top when we start flying. Upgrade the shit, push a button autopilot. Party all night so we just keep flying.
So many years and it's still no tears. The fear selling and I'm still all in. What do you do when your freedom is an illusion? How high will it go when the XRP get the mooning? It's amusing when you know that you ain't losing. Going back to go back, got them choosing. Which one up? Bag it up. Here come the monkey. This one up.
Let me get some. We looking for that astro flip. Guacamole, I want the whole damn dip. I got my spacesuit on, yeah. I want the whole damn shit. And if you bring in any further, bust the whole damn clip. Nah, we do our own research here. Over ledger on a t-shirt here. We in the jungle, I know. They like, monkey, how you see so clear? I did my homework, so he don't care. Yeah. Sitting on the ledger with the bag man. And I just bought Quant with my bad hand. A little Globius and XTC. And a little more XRP, we not playing. So basically we repping for the same set. Cause we was here way before the main net. Who would've thought that crypto tales would come together on a topic that we know so well? Music.
So many years and it's still no tears. The fear selling and I'm still all in. What do you do when your freedom is an illusion? How high will it go when the XRP get the mooning? It's amusing when you know that you ain't losing. Going back to go back, got them choosing. Which one up? Bag it up. This one up. Bag it up. So many years and it's still no tears. The fear selling and I'm still all in. What do you do when your freedom is an illusion? How high will it go when the XRP get the mooning? It's amusing when you know that you ain't losing. Going back to go back, got them choosing. Which one up? Bag it up. This one up. Bag it up.
All right. I hope that got your spirit and your soul and your physical all pumped up, ready for 2023. Yeah, because right now, people, if you are still here, oh my days, you made it through a whole year plus and a few months of the whole market going downtown. So congratulations, especially if you're new to this market, right? especially if you're new to the game, right? Because it's not easy. It ain't easy, even for those people that's been through a few market cycles. I mean, I've been through one, right? It ain't easy. It ain't easy on your psychology, on your mind, right? So for you to still be here, congratulations. I just hope you still will be here in the next few years. Because when the bull market comes back, and if you've been stacking your money in the right places and buying some good crypto, then you will be in a great position financially. That's all I gotta say, right? Remember, this ain't financial advice. BFam don't do financial advice. I just speak what I speak, right? I'm just giving my perspective on things. It won't play out, right? It won't necessarily play out. It won't necessarily be right or wrong. It's just my point of view. Some of it will be based on facts, and some of it will be just based on my opinion. Simple as that, right? So, now, I've got to be quiet in the house, because right now, over here in London, it's kind of late, and everybody in the house is sleeping. So I don't want nobody coming downstairs, right? I don't want the lady coming downstairs and cussing me out. So that's why BFam's voice is kind of on a low vibration right now, right? Not on a low vibration, on a low tone, should I say, right? We can't be on a low vibration. High vibration, right? High vibrations at all times. Well, we do our best. We do our best. You know, people come on. You can't be high all the time, right? So anyway, to kick things off, first and foremost, hexacation. For those people that don't know, you need to know. Get educated. Get hexacated. That's what you do. That's what you need to do. We Heart Hex. This is a one-stop place to get educated about hex token and cryptocurrency in general. Okay? So, instead of you going online and doing your searches all about the place, spending all that time darting left, right, up, down, to and fro, you don't need to do that. You can go to this one place and get a grasp of what DeFi is all about, what crypto is all about, what hex is all about, etc. Now, there will be courses available soon, right? The site is still being worked on, but there has been a lot of new information added on to the site. There's going to be courses for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So no matter if you've been in the game for a few years, or just a year, or this is your first time, this is the place where you can learn and gain more knowledge, so you'll gain more money in this game, people, right? So get hexacated. That's hexucation.com. Please like it, share it with your people, because it's all about education first and foremost. Because if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to get wrecked. And I don't want you to get wrecked. I've been wrecked multiple times, right? But not to the point where I've just flung in the rag and say, that's it, I'm giving up. BFam don't give up. I don't do give up. I don't even know what that means. I keep it cracking. That's all I do. Anyway, what else has been? Man, for the last few weeks, man, there's been a lot happening in the market, man. There's been a lot happening in cryptocurrency right now. A lot indeed. Right now, there is a Hex conference going on. Today is the third day of it. It's 4 days in total. Tomorrow, Mr. Richard Hart will be speaking. We may get some information on PulseChain, right? But in the last week or so, there has been a few updates with PulseChain. So we are getting closer to the launch of PulseChain, people. But hey, I can't tell you when, but we are getting closer because there has been a few developments taking place with the platform itself, with the contract. So people, be patient. I know it's been long. But hey, we don't want this launched when the market is going down. No, 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 no. We want this launched when the market is going sideways and heading back up to the moon and to the outer stratosphere. That's what we want. Okay? That's what we want. So, be patient, people. But go and check out the conference. Now, the videos, go to Matty Allen, YouTube channel, and that's where you can pick up the videos there from. Now, they are about 5 hours long each video, right? I haven't even watched a full video, people. I have listened to day 1, 2, and 3, about an hour each, or maybe a bit more. So I'm still going through them, people. Right? I can't listen to a whole thing for 5 hours. I got things to do. And probably so have you, right? So I'll do it in bits and pieces. But for those people that maybe have not heard of Hex, or you know about Hex and you want to know a bit more, this is the place to be. This is the 3rd time they are having a conference. They had one last year and the year before that. And people, it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. The numbers are growing. So no matter what we see in terms of the price of Hex itself, because I think last week Hex came down to around 1.6 or 1.7 cents. I tried to get it. I was waiting. But I missed it, people. And now it's pumped back up to about 2.6 cents, right? So hey, you win some, you lose some. It may come back down. And I will be waiting. But in saying that, I think I'm going to provide some liquidity on Uniswap V3, and whether it goes up or down, I will be getting paid in Hex as in terms of the fees. So that's what I'm going to do to stack up some more Hex and stake that Hex. Anyway, so please go and check it out. Go and check out the Hex conference videos and get Hexicated. Please. Now, what are we seeing right now in the markets? Because right now, today, as of the 9th of the 1st, 2023, according to Gregory, the markets have been pumping, people. Absolutely pumping today. Well, not pumping, but hey, green. It's been green, man. It's been green. Now, let me just refresh this page. Because, it's 24/7, and it moves constantly. See, no. In the last hour, it's been a bit red. But yeah, it's been, Bitcoin's at 17.1. I think it went up to around 17.3, maybe a bit more earlier on. Ethereum's at $1,300, just over $1,300 now. So, a little bit of gains, people. A little bit of gains. We've got Solana pumped 16%. Woo! I saw about 40% from Gala token. Crazy, people, crazy. So earlier on during the day, look, Aptos, 31%. Woo, to the moon. Crazy, people, crazy. Curve, 13% in a day, people. Gala, 16%. Earlier on, this was like 40% people. 40%. Now, anybody traders out there, you would have got paid. If you got in right and left right. But trading, people. Trading is a deadly game. Only the real G's and GS make it. Majority of people get wrecked. So BFAM is not promoting trading. I ain't pushing anybody to trade. If you want to go and do it, that's your business. But make sure you put the work in, because you got to put the work in, people. You got to put the work in. Whether you're doing day trades or swing trading, a bit longer than that, you got to put the work in, people. You lose some, you win some. So it's up to you. But on this channel, I don't really promote the trading thing. It's more of an investment thing we dealing with on this channel, on Ether9 TV, right? Ether9 TV, we deal with investing rather than trading. But trading is alright. It's alright for some. But for the majority of you out there, you're going to get wrecked. I'm just letting you know. That's just reality. That's just the numbers out there. The numbers speak for itself. I'm just saying what it is. You may not like it, but I'm sorry. What can I say? What can I say? Now let's go to Aurochs and see what's popping. Because right now, on the Aurochs chart, things are looking. Oof, I don't know what's going on with the Aurochs right now, because I'm looking on the monthly chart on ETH, and I can't get a full chart. It's just look. It's just giving me two candles, people. It's just giving me 2 freaking candles. What good is that? I can't even go way back in time. What's going on? What's going on, Aurochs? It's been like this for like a week. Anybody could somebody verify this, that it's happening on their screen as well? Please leave a comment. Go to Aurochs and log into your account on Aurochs and tell me if it's happening to you, because right now this is happening to me for the last week. I'm kind of pissed. Do you know what I'm saying? But the funny thing is, it's only happening with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Everything else is alright. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know. But right now, on the monthly on Ethereum, it's showing a green candle, people. It's showing a green candle. And on the monthly on Bitcoin, one second, it's showing a green candle. Did I say green candle? I meant a green triangle. The Aurochs indicator, the man from Aurochs or the woman from Aurochs, she say, yeah, we going to the moon. Or we might be going to the moon. Or should I say, probability, there's a high probability we may be pumping from this point on a monthly time frame, the big time frame. Now, you know the big time frames run things. Simple as that. Now, because we've got a monthly indicator now showing on the Aurochs platform, it does not mean that Bitcoin will just shoot up in a straight line. No. And it does not mean that Bitcoin won't come back down a little in price. No, hell no, right? What it means is we may be going to the moon. No, I'm only joking. No, what it means is it just means a high probability that we may be taking off, but it's going to take a few months, people. So in saying that, it is a good time. This is BFam's opinion now, right? If you're stacking DCAing into Bitcoin or Ethereum, this would be a opportune time to start if you haven't started already. Okay, little by little, week by week, month by month, put in whatever you can afford to lose, people. Excuse me. Right? Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever other get my words muddled up, altcoin that you have your beady eyes on. Okay, just make sure it's a decent project. Make sure, people, right? I'm not here to give advice and all that, but please make sure you do your research, man. Excuse me 1 second. Let me just get a glass of water. Just be with me 1 second. Right, BFam is back. You know I do these things live, innit? Right. In fact, you know what? I might start doing live streams straight. So in those live streams, if anybody comes on board and you want to ask a question, you can ask it there and there. Now I just answer it there and there. Simple as that. Because I don't do no planned out videos. I've never done that. I've just off the cuff, innit? Off the cuff, people. Off the cuff links. Anyway. Right. So That's Bitcoin on the monthly, right? But if I go to the weekly on Aurochs, right? Let's go to the weekly. Let's see what's popping. Now, the weekly's looking good as well. Weekly's looking good. We've had a triangle appear around around 5 weeks ago. We've had a triangle appear. And as you can see, it takes time, people. You see, it takes time for things to play out. You know, just because you have a triangle appear, right, on these bigger time frames, it doesn't mean it's gonna pump up straight away. No, man. Take your time. Be patient, people. Come on, behave, right? So it creeps up. It creeps up slowly, right? So we may be creeping up a little and then go down a little. You know the routine of crypto, man. You know the routine. In fact, I'm going to show you what crypto has done in the past when I was in the market since 2017, right? Which I have personally experienced. And then we can go back a little bit further to see what happened to price action. For those doubters out there that, you know, may have a little doubt that, you know, crypto is dead, it's never coming back, etc. Because I still hear that crap out there. These plebs. Plebs. Well, this is Bitcoin's chart, right? On the big time frame, on the monthly time frame, people. As you can see, we was up here last year, man. Up here in the stratosphere. Woo! Pure euphoric. People were like, Lambo. Now we are down here. People are like, dead. Plebs. Same story back here in 2017, December 2017. Lambo. Come, you know, January 2019, dead. Saying human nature don't change, man. It don't change. So as you can see, we pumped in 2017. I mean, I got in October, November. I put something in. I put a little bit of money into crypto, and all of a sudden, things pumped, and BFAM was like, "What the pluck just happened there?" I put some money in a few cryptos, and they pumped up to the moon. One of them was Ethereum. It went up. I bought it at $300. It went up to like $1,400. I was like, what? In the space of like 2 months, people. I was like, what's going on here? I couldn't believe it, people. I couldn't believe it. Yeah, I thought Christmas come early. Well, it did. Well, it was Christmas time, but you know what I'm saying, right? I put some money in Cardano. Cardano came out around September, and I bought some a few weeks afterwards. A few weeks after it launched, right? And then it pumped up to around over $1.20 or something around that figure. I was like, what's going on here? Crazy. And we're gonna go to a Cardano. We're gonna show you the Cardano chart in a minute. But the point I'm trying to make is, right, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general goes through cycles, and you have to get used to the cycles, people. Ups and downs, and these cycles last for a specific period of time. And right now there is this 4-year cycle within crypto that's been playing out since the inception of Bitcoin. Now, it may not play out in the next few years. I don't know. I can't tell the future. But all we can do is go off of what's happened in the past. That's all we can do. So, in saying that, as you can see, we pumped in December. The top was December 2017, right? Beginning of 2018, and it took a whole year for the market to take a crap and chill out, and then it took a few months for it to go sideways, right? And then it pumped up again to 11 grand, from 3,500 to 11 grand, and then it dumped again to about 4,000, and then it pumped again. So the point I'm trying to make is, right now, 2022 was like 2018, pure downtrend. Now 2023 will be like 2019, right? Sideways, ups and downs, finding a bottom somewhere along the lines, right? So don't expect a crazy. This is just, now, let me just set the record straight. This is just BFAM's perspective again. Opinion, going by what BFAM has experienced, going by previous cycles, okay? 2023, according to BFAM, will be a sideways movement. We find the bottom somewhere along the lines within a few months, and then got from there, go sideways. Or we may have found the bottom already. I don't know, right? Because all rocks indicator may have indicated we are close. Look, put it this way, people, we are close, we're close, right? So it will go sideways for a bit, probably for the whole of 2023, up and down, but not too much down, people, not too much down. Maybe we may not hit that 10 grand. I don't know, right? But we have to wait and see. And this is why you have to be very patient in this market, because if not, you're gonna get wrecked quick. And that's why you DCA. Because the importance of DCAing is, you're not trying to find the bottom, you're not trying to find the top, because you can't predict it. All you can do is do your best and don't stress about it. So that's where we are right now, right? So it takes a few years, people. It takes a few years for these things to play out. Now, if we go back to, let's have a look. This is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin 2013, October 2013, at the highs at $1,100, yeah, and then come 2015, beginning of 2015, it was $196, people. $196, from $1,100 to $196. What do you think people were thinking then? Bitcoin is dead. It's all over. I can't take it no more. It's a scam. That's what people were thinking. Same way people are thinking now, right? Same way. But what's the difference between now and 2013 and 2017, 2018? The difference is the market is bigger now. Yeah, there's more people involved in the market. There's more adoption taking place. There's more innovation taking place. More development taking place. More products available now. Easier to use. So, progress is being made. So don't be fuddled out by the misinformation out there, my fellow Ethereans. Hold on to the crypto rope, and it will be dope. Okay? Just like cockamania, it will be dope. Right? So chill. So, right? Or your dope man that you buy weed off. Right? You know what I'm saying, people. You know what I'm saying. For smokers out there. Right. So, and after, in 2013, from beginning of 2013, sorry. From, let's have a look. From January 2015, right? So we went from the highs of November 2013 to the lows of Jan 2015. And then it took, let's have a look, up until October 2015, where it started to pump again, all the way up, people, all the way up. So even that sideways movement wasn't even that long period. It was from 2015, beginning of 2015, to say October 2015. What, 8-10 months? right? 8-10 months, people. And then we went from 200 bucks all the way up to like, let's have a look, 20,000 people. 200 bucks to 20,000. Yo, come on, man. Come on. And then you got people out there, right? You got some gold bugs out there that push gold and silver. Man, look, I've been buying gold and silver since 2016. It ain't done nothing. Don't get me wrong. It's good to diversify, okay? But hear what I'm saying. Gold and silver ain't made me no dough. It ain't made me no crazy returns since 2016. It's still the same stupid price, people. It's still the same stupid price when I bought it. Give or take a few $100 on gold, right? And give or take a few bucks on silver. Like, really? Like, come on, man. And you got people pushing gold and silver like it's a new thing. Man, that's been around since Jesus. Right? Come on, man. Right? It's been around since the dinosaurs. Right? I love to wear gold. We like a bit of bling. It's okay. We got it in our electrical equipment and all that sort of stuff. It's hard money. Cool. I ain't disagreeing with that. I like a bit of gold. But hear what I'm saying. Can it make me mad returns? Can it make me mad returns in a short space of time? No. Can it make you mad returns in a short space of time? No. So what is the alternative out here? If everything is going digital, what's the alternative? Cryptocurrency. For those people that hate on it, you go and hate in it. Stay broke in it. Stay broke. We will stay woke. Anyway, I just have to put that in there, people, because I hear some stupidness sometimes, man, from certain peeps out there on social media. Dumbasses, man. No disrespect, but truth is truth, man, people. Truth is truth, man. Do you know what I'm saying? Crazy. Look, when I started my videos when I started my YouTube channel in 2020, I started my YouTube channel, people. Right? 2020. And August 2020, I started my YouTube channel. And the first few videos I done, I was telling people, look, right now, yeah, Bitcoin's at $8,000. And Ethereum was at $300 to $400. And I was telling people, look, man, if you buy 10 Ethereum, right, and you convert that to Bitcoin later on down the line, you'll have one whole Bitcoin. So basically, you're getting Bitcoin for like $4,000. People, even if someone didn't do that and they just outright bought Bitcoin at $8,000 and Ethereum at $300-400, would you be still up on your money? Or in fact, are you still up on your money for those people that did do that? And that was not financial advice, by the way, right? Because I don't do that. But what I'm trying to say is, you would be still up on your money from August 2020 if you bought Bitcoin at $8,000 and Ethereum at $400. Plebs. Bitcoin, you still double up your money on Bitcoin, and Ethereum, hey, you triple up your money. Yeah? Like, come on, man. Come on. What more do you want in 3 years? And that's not even an all-time high. So come on, people. Let's get it right. Let's have it right in it. Let's have it right. Anyway, let's see what Cardano was doing. Now, Cardano, right, is a layer 1 blockchain. Yeah? Layer 1 smart contract blockchain, people. Let's see what it done. It came out 18th of November 2017, according to Nomics, at less than a cent, and it boomed all the way up to $1.13. That's right, $1.13, people, by the end of December. I was like, what's going on here? And I only bought a few. I didn't have much, just a little bag, right? But my point is, because I was bullish on Cardano, when it took a crap by by 2018, as you can see, right, it fell back down. By March 2018, it was like back at 15 cents. And then from there, as you can see, December 2018, it was at 2 cents, people. And it was at 2 cents for yonks. April 2020, we was at 5 cents, give or take. 5 cents. It was just bouncing up and down between that range. So you had all that period of time to accumulate and stack your bags and stack your bags. That's what I was doing. I was stacking my bags. And then what happened? When bull run came back, boom, we went to freaking nearly $3, people. Jeez. Look, I remember opening a wallet that I totally forgot I had Cardano on. Right? I totally forgot. Boom, dough, money. I was like, whoa. Crazy, people, crazy. So the point I'm trying to make is, this is the period of time, yeah, on a good asset in this industry. When it takes a dump and it starts to go sideways, this is the most opportune time to stack your bags. Because when the bull market returns, people, this is what happens. Boom, it shoots off. And even if you bought Cardano at 2 cents, right now Cardano is 31 cents. So are you still up on your money? Even though it went up to nearly $3 and it dumped, are you still up on your money? Because you bought it back down here? Yeah, sure you are. So it's all about perspective, timing. You buy in the troughs, not at the peaks, people. You buy at the troughs of assets, be it stocks, shares, crypto, whatever, gold, silver. You buy at the trough, at the bottom, because that's the most opportune time to make crazy dough. Because everything in this market is secular. It goes in cycles. And once you master the cycles, you master your finances. It's simple as that. But you have to manage your finances, because you can make some crazy dough and spunk it, piss it up the wall, spin it like Gordon Bennett, and it gone. And then you're back to zero again. So you don't want to do that. So you need to know about money management, people, right? Please, don't be one of those lotto winners, right? And get crazy millions and then a couple of years later they're broke. Don't do that. Because we've all done it. We've all done it, or a lot of us has done it. Made some crazy money in the past, and we just wasted that money, gone to shit. Excuse my English, but I was gonna say excuse my French, but why did I say that? Excuse my French. Like, really? I ain't speaking French. I'm talking English. Anyway, what else is going on? What else is popping out here in the crypto market? Talking about cycles. I came across this on one of the hex streams where they mentioned this guy called Samuel Benner, and he was a prosperous American farmer. He got wiped out financially in 1873 pandemic, right? And he set about to establish the causes and timing of fluctuations in the economy. So he came up with this charting thing, and he just worked out that things go in cycles. There's a cycle to all things. So just go to DuckDuckGo or Google and type in periods when to make money, Benner cycle projection into 2023, right? Just type that in, right? And read up about it, because you need to get yourself familiar with these different types of cycles and when it's the best time to make money. Because once you got this thing locked, people, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, shares, gold, silver, you're gonna crack that whip. You're gonna be in the right place at the right time. So please go and do your education. Remember, Hexecation. It's all about education, people. Educate yourself. And the more educated you become within this market, the more confidence that you'll have. And you won't fear the ups and downs of the prices. You'll be like, ain't nothing. Man's chilling, right? Why? Because you've got your stuff planned out. You've got your plan, and you're sticking to your plan, and you're just doing your thing. That's why you really have to get this in your heads, people. You really have to get this in your heads, because this is such an important time where we are at within this crypto ecosphere, right? Please, it's so important, and you need to make 2023 a better year than 2022, financially, spiritually, physically, soulfully, everything, right? Everything. Excuse me. Got to take a little drink of some Maye there, some water, United. Right. Now, a few days ago, I got wind of the launch of Texan Token, people. The Texan Token has launched. So, for all those that don't know, Texan Token was given out for as an airdrop to those people that had hex stakes or sacrifice for PulseChain or PulseX, and you could claim 1 million Texan Token. And basically, they were waiting for PulseChain to launch before they would actually launch the token. But as of the last 48 hours, they have officially launched on the Ethereum network, my fellow Ethereans. So for all those people that have their Texan Token, that claim a Texan Token, you now can go into your wallet and add the contract address and see your Texan Token chilling. Now, for all those people that don't know what Texan Token is, just go to Crypto Heartbeat and go and check out his last few videos, especially this one, the Texan Token update. That's when it was announced, basically, right? So please go and check it out and find out what's going on, because Texan Token is similar to, it's an endowment. So it's a staking coin, right? Token, and you can receive passive income similar to Hex, but the difference is you can scrape off your interest at any time, and you can stake it from anywhere from a year up to 22 years. I think it is. I think it's a year. I think the minimum is a year. I think it is, right? So people, it's immutable, just like Hex. I know. Some of you saying immutable, BFAM. What the ras does that mean? I know you're gonna hear words within this ecosphere that you don't know what it means. Yo, have you got English dictionary there? You got a Collins or Webster dictionary? Just look up immutable in it, and you find out what it means in it. I'll tell you straight in it. Come on. Meaning it. All right. I'll save you a bit of time. It means the code cannot be changed. And it's funny. I heard a developer, a blockchain developer, a developer basically, right? And she was saying that before she came into crypto, and she's been developing for 9 years, right? So before she came into crypto, she never knew about immutable code, right? Yeah, she only found out about that when she came into crypto, and she is a developer. So people, this is a phenomenal time that we are living in. When you can design something, smart contract, that cannot be changed once it's launched. It can't be changed by the human beings, by nobody. No admin keys, because if someone has the admin keys, then they can change what's written in the contract. Well, That is the beauty of Hex, and that is the beauty of text and token, people. It cannot be changed once these things are launched. It's just you and the code and maths. No middleman. And that is the beauty of the time that we are living in. We don't need no middleman no more. So we can have these endowments. We can have these certificate of deposits without the need of a middleman. We can have all these different types of financial instruments without the need of a middleman or middlewoman. This is a glorious day and time. And it's funny, don't you find it kind of funny how the launch of CBDCs coming soon, right? And how it coincides with cryptocurrency and DeFi. And DeFi like combats CBDCs because DeFi is putting the power back into the individual, where CBDCs is taking away the power and is putting the control in the person or the country or the government that issued the CBDCs, so they can tell you what you can do with that money. As opposed to DeFi, crypto, you do what you want with your money, with your Bitcoin, with your Ethereum, with your Hex, with your text and token, with your Hedron, etc. Right? You do what you want with it. No one can tell you who to send it to, what you can buy with it. No one can tell you that. But with these CBDCs coming, central bank digital currencies, man, Massa trying to enslave us, man. Massa trying to enslave us, and boy, it's going to be ugly for some people out here, people. It's going to be real, real ugly. Why? You know why? I'm going to tell you why. Because they didn't get hexacation. Excuse me. They didn't get hexacation. They didn't get hexacated. They didn't get educated. Right? Why? Because maybe they were too busy watching football. Maybe they were too busy watching their favourite soap opera. Maybe they were too busy stuffing their face. I don't know. But people, it's time to get educated. So, I'm going to round it up because I know BFAM has been going on and on and on and on, and I can go on and on and on and on when I'm ready. Right? So, a bit of a mellow video because, you know, as I said, it's kind of late in the house. And I don't want the lady coming downstairs and cussing me out. And you hear her cussing me out in the video. Right? And trying to fling something at me. So, it's good to be back. It is good to be back. Some of you must have maybe thought that BFAM had scarpered. BFAM is dead. Right? He's run away from crypto. He's given up. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you loco, man? Are you loco? No, man. No way. No way. No way. No way. Anyway, you know the routine, right? I always come with jewels for your bags. So stack up your bags with your jewels, because we are the ones that is going to rule. Anyway, as always, I gotta love you. I gotta leave you. And make sure you make 2023 a great year for you. Okay? And if you set any resolutions, make sure you stick to them. Set some goals. Make sure you achieve them. Or at least work towards them. And by you working towards them, boom, you're going to achieve it. Simple as that, isn't it? Right? You got to be disciplined, people. You got to be disciplined. We have to be disciplined, man, to get what we need out of life, man. Right? So, more life, more health, more wealth to you all out there. Glad to be here in 2023. You know, we are all just passing through. We just spiritual beings, right? having a physical incarnation. That's all we are. We're just passing here on this planet Earth for a little minute, and then we move on to our next abode. And I'm glad to be here on this journey with you all, right? So, more divine love to you all. Peace and love. And just like Arnie Schwarzenegger from Terminator, I'll be back.